This is our second day of the meetup event. Yesterday we went around interacting with the vendors about the spices and the ingredients that go into making a Hyderabadi biryani. Today we'll actually put all of them together, go into a kitchen and actually make a Hyderabadi's authentic mutton biryani.
Today we are at Hotel Nayab, one of the oldest hotels in Hyderabad. It is actually a restaurant. In Hyderabad, we interchange the words from hotel to restaurant. So restaurants are usually called hotel. We're going to go over the intricacies of making a Hyderabadi biryani.
Biryani's preparations start early in the morning at around 10 o'clock. By lunchtime, fresh Hyderabadi biryani is ready. And from then on, hundreds of plates are just dished out.
We serve around 180 to 200 biryanis a day. We have to be very precise with the timing because the meat has to be cooked perfectly with the rice.
The chicken is mixed with spices and along with clarified butter and left over to marinate for at least half an hour.
It's very tasty.
So it's very important that not only the meat has the aroma, but also the rice. So for that to happen, the spices are boiled in and then the rice is poured. As you can see, the rice is being poured over the marinated chicken in layers. So there are 6 to 8 layers being poured in, and in between there is a sprinkle of spices. After the cooking is done, it is left over for 10 minutes for it to get properly steamed.
In Hotel Nayab, the biryani which we prepare is just the authentic way.
Shadab is an iconic hotel. If you visit Hyderabad anytime, make sure you don't miss being in Shadab. There are hundreds and hundreds of people who just wait to get a seat. So it's a famous one and we were fortunate to actually be there and experience the authentic mutton biryani.
Here we go to get the chance to eat the biryani after all the work we have done. I can have biryani thrice a day. I am not bored of eating biryani. I can have it week-long.
South Indians people eat biryani with their hands. The finger taste is something different than eating with a spoon.
When you mix the food, you ensure that the food does not touch your palm, this area of your hand. That actually is a very good indication that you have got good etiquettes when eating with your fingers. By doing this, you know that you are eating very good food. That is great.
You feel like, okay, this is the best thing I can have in Hyderabad.
If people are coming to Hyderabad, the first thing that they need to think about is tasting Hyderabad biryani.
Majority of the people know how to relish Hyderabadi biryani, but they might not always know where are these authentic places where it is prepared. So when people like us, through these events, talk about it, spread awareness, more and more people will be able to appreciate how a food is made.
It's very important that we put it on Google Maps so that everyone can enjoy the hidden gems of the city.